Hey everybody, happy May 1st. Today is a Friday, and I hope you guys are going to do something fun for the weekend and relax and not think about school for a while. Your random question for today, which is also appropriately themed, what is your favorite summertime activity? That's a hard one to choose for me. So here's my three. I definitely love camping. I always think about it, I always get super pumped for it around this time of year. So camping is one of mine. Another one is hanging out at the pool. Love that. That could also be happening today as well, which is a good sign. And then my last one, I think Lake Powell. It's hard to deny how much fun that is. And that basically encompasses my first two anyway. So I basically have the same one, just Lake Powell for all three. So tell me, I want to know what your favorite activities are, because I'm getting super excited for summer and want to do some fun stuff, and so I want to snipe your ideas. Okay, the due date today is the due date for chapter 3, so hopefully we can get that wrapped up and be on track and be keeping up with everything. I want to review this. I reviewed it yesterday with you guys, or last time that is, and I've added a little bit to it. So we can see that Access chapter 3 is due today, and then Access chapter 4 is due on the 11th, and then we will not have Access chapters 1 through 4 exam. We're going to skip that. You're welcome. And then the last day for late work to be turned in is going to be the 22nd. I will allow you to email me that day up until midnight, and I will update your grades for you. So that's a good stretch, right? We've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 whole days of class. I have 4.5 kind of, because there's 2 B days in there. So yeah, hopefully that helps you guys. It helps you get caught up if you have stuff you want to get caught up on for this class or other classes, you know. Anyway, I'll leave it at that. Have a great day today. Shoot me any emails if you have questions, and I'll talk to you guys soon.